I'm all the way up. All the way up. But now, I'ma talk about God. Back in the town when I was lacking the time, my hope was huge. Had me slow to get attracted to grind. Inside of the lines, so rocking out with practical lines. Let the folks within me get all my talents combined. They back to the mind, and I decided to rhyme. Divided and excited to play the raps and I'm rhyme. Started spitting English on paper and finding guitar. I'm on the spot so wild, they got me stopping to find. Never got a chance to never let me spit on the mic. Only cause I come from the land where people in white. They ain't gotta keep flowing, completed all my demo tracks. Inspired beat, and then the rap I added demo tracks. Unleash my ways to music and dance. The cultural shock, they got my whole community dance. That's when I close my eyes and talk to God. Piece of my head and singing this song and it goes like life is an octopus trying to choke you with tentacles. Survive by only those who prove to be sensible. With only two choices, good and the bad. The hardest part is to be choosing a path. Check this, I clearly got myself to dealing with rhymes. So maybe I will be the person that will dealing with dogs. Maybe blow up my father's money, spending on clothes. Faking out that you opening all the very the most. One upon a time I got a talk of foolish lies. Was chewing down, though it was good to get in the movie fights. I even had the thrilling urge to kill. The next second, the whole field was rushed to kill. I was off with the gun, that's when I dropped it for a mic. Took rappers in Korea, and I thought that this was right. I closed my eyes and give my thanks to God. Piece of my head and singing this song, and it goes like wish that I could go like ever once and then leave the next